Hundreds of insane lightning strikes bring chaos to Seattle. This is on Sputnik News, according to National Weather Service station in Seattle. Over a 3-hour period, over 1,200 lightning strikes were recorded during the time of a thunderstorm. Skies of Seattle, West Coast, were lit up on Saturday night with literally hundreds of lightning strikes. The storm was so intense, it caused power outages in thousands of households and resulted in many flights, of course, being diverted. President Phillips tweets, "These lightning strikes are insane." The videos were taken during Saturday night's thunderstorm in Roy, Washington, south of Seattle. And there's embedded videos here. Others say having way too much fun shooting the lightning during this totally unique Seattle thunderstorm. A football game at Husky Stadium was delayed due to weather conditions, and later the stadium was also hit by a power shortage. According to meteorologists, such thunderstorms are quite rare for this region. There's at least 4 or 5 videos you can see in the article. I'll leave a link below for you for this. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.